Hi, this is your host Natalie, and in today's video we will be speaking with a modest yet passionate craftsman by the name of Daniel. Now Daniel's specialty is in calabash work. His skills are mainly carving art on calabash shells that can be used for home decor or organic eating and cooking utensils. He is also an excellent painter amongst more. He plies his trade in the capital city of Georgetown on the southern side of the Guyana Stores. So stay tuned and enjoy, because in this video he will be revealing what inspired him to pursue one of the creative domains of life through his art.
first time I started with this thing was in Trinidad. I was on the in the beach in Clifton Hill. It was deep south. I was at the beach and I see this thing floating down. I think it was a coconut. When I go and I get it, it was a calabash. So I scrape on something with it with a piece of shell. When it gets dry, it looks nice.
Oh.
So I went home and picked some calabash and started trying it out from green.
So how many years now you doing this?
I started doing this since I was 17. I was go to Antigua and then place and sell this thing. Get a greater impact for your business, you know?
Yeah, that's true.
Because that's a more wider tourist avenue.
That's so true.
More and people buy this thing like it is nothing. A day I went selling in around Heritage Key, and the people buy all the calabash, all the calabash about it. I had calabash on the board and I had some boys that making all the time. People buy out everything. I send one of them guys with a size junkie, I call them vagrant, right? Sending these someone to get some calabash in me. The man ain't get none. He said the trees them, the calabash them in their hard yet. I tell back the man, I send the man on the beach and tell the man go and bring some shell. Man go and bring a bag of shell. You know they got some white fan shell, shaped like a fan and it's white and flat.
Yeah.
And I throw it in a bucket with some Clorox bleach. The shell them get white. Go and buy 3 markers, a red, a black, and a green. And I start drying on 2 palm tip on it for them shell. And just like Antigua Barbuda, right?
You go crazy. You put no varnish on it?
No, I mean put no varnish, I do it just so, raw just so.
Wow.
Selling one of them shell for $5. That day I make money, but
You see?
that day I make money like sand and thing. When you look inside the bucket, you really got shell. Them people buy out all the things, man. Yeah, but I waiting, praying to God let the wall open back, but I like Guyana. I love my country bad. But I never the mentality of the people. And there's something we got Guyana down. The mentality of the people. The people them don't have the positivity towards one another. It's always with some negativeness, and if they see you come take nothing and making something, they're vexed.
I see most of them don't have the exposure that you have to.
Although I tell them, buy a ticket and book a flight. Stop there inside the places, so limiting your lifestyle, you know? Living limit life. I don't live limit life. I do anything I want in this world. That's how I live. I don't bracket myself and shun down myself. Mother tell me I'm mad. But it's not madness.
You don't understand the true-spiritness way, Mike.
Right.
And you see things differently. Most artistic people have that kind of life.
Yeah, you got a more positiveness in you. You know? Because everything that you do, it comes from your mind. Your mind is what controls everything. You understand me? The mind is the power of the body. If the mind is not positive, it will be negative. You understand me? You got to have the positiveness in you. You don't weak out and shun down yourself. tell you, but what? I the whole man, I done being able. Me? I now start life.
That's it. You're as young as your heart.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like most of my friends they be so mature and stuff, and I just play so.
Mature? Every day they're more mature. Because every day you could learn something new.
Yeah.
Why don't bother with them in the street? Rather got that determination to make it in life. It got to be determination. This is the first thing in life you got to have. Determination.
Nothing.
If you're not determined, you're not going to make it. I'm going to make a picture of you.
Oh, you want to go? I'm sorry. I could get you a picture on my phone if you watch it in the meantime. Or you want it?
I'm taking a picture of you. Just turn your body a little bit, so good. So I'm going to get a sketch of you. Let me see. Right.